mansion where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage flame. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. Today we are working on the dining room area. I have already painted the bottom and I'll show that to you. I've went ahead and done a line across the top. That is where our mural will line up across the top and then go down from there. So let me flip this camera around. Let me show you that I've got it painted. I still haven't decided how I'm going to do my trim work, but we'll do that another video. I just wanted y'all to see how far I have gotten. It is beautiful. I love the bottom and then the difference from the top. And once we put the mural on, it's going to be gorgeous. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you would do so and consider that, I would greatly appreciate it. I've got a lot of projects going on right now. Got a lot of things going on right now. But hopefully I can get y'all a video at least once a week, if not twice a week. I do work a 40-hour week, so I do have a full-time job, but I love doing this on the side. But let's get this camera turned around and let's show y'all what we've got. So in the introduction clip, I went ahead and showed you all what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. I did the Sherwin-Williams Repose Gray on the bottom. That's what all my trim work was anyway, and I'm contemplating either a, and I'm pointing, sorry, a stained rail across there with pegs on it where I can hang things if I want to, with a little bitty shelf of some sort. Not really sure, but look how pretty that gray is with the blue. So I've got my ladder in here. My husband's gonna have to help me. But what I did is I drew a line, and you can, it's very faint. I drew a line across the entire top where I want the top of the piece to go, and then it should end up here. I'm gonna wipe this down. I've already sanded the wall because I do have a slight texture. Let me see if it'll show. I do have a slight texture on the wall, so I did kind of sand that down just a bit. I'm gonna wipe it down with, you know, warm water, and that's it. No soap is what they said. I purchased this mural from Limitless Walls. It's out of King, North Carolina. I used to live in King, which was ironic. When I saw that, I emailed the girl back and I said, oh my gosh, I went to, you know, junior high school in King, North Carolina. That is so awesome. But anyway, this paper on this mural is absolutely gorgeous. It's like, almost like a canvas, y'all. It is that thick and that nice. This one right here will go on the wall over here, and then it will mirror on this side. Love the detail in this. It's got, you know, ducks on the pond. It's got all kinds of flowers, and to me, it really looked like our pond on the back 40 acres back there. So can't wait to get this up so y'all get to enjoy watching my husband help me do this. So let's get started.
I'm good at arguing on it.
So I just need to peel down the top. It says 6 inches. You know what? I didn't clean the wall. Let me just wipe it down. This one's gonna be hard.
Why?
Because it's gonna be wider. Video this. Look, Todd. No. Mine away. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I love it! Do you like it?
Yes.
Or love it?
I love it. It looks good. Like I said, I know the backstory of it, and that's what makes me love it even more. If that was just a picture, it'd be okay. But it's not. It's really close.
It's very close to
Very close.
back. I mean, this looks like the picture. This right here is the tree that we were sitting right here on the Kubota looking out the pond. And then the house would be up over here.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, and the river runs along the side of that little stream.
You know what will be good? If you could get the picture of the house there.
Yeah, they're not going to.
That's not going to happen, though.
No. So let's measure that. So as you can see, we have nothing over the window. So we have decided we were going to just do a big chunky crown across here. But I think we've decided that we've measured the length and then the depth that we need. And we're going to continue it across the top and then do a real pretty crown over the top of the mural. And that way it'll be continuous across this whole wall. So I think that's a great idea. Let me step back and let y'all look at this. I absolutely love it. So Limitless Walls out of King, North Carolina. You can find them online. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll even, link their page on my Instagram as well as my Facebook, just so y'all know. So I think it's beautiful. Let me show y'all what it looks like. I'm still debating on my chair rail. I know the top I probably will paint, and I'm really considering painting the chair rail as well because it looks so classy right now, but I'm gonna be thinking on it. That's the way to do a project, y'all. Go at it slowly. Don't rush it, because I have done like a really rush and go back and go, I really shouldn't have done that. I should have done this. So take your time, really, live in it and make sure that's exactly the way you want it. I am still tweaking furniture in this house. My loving husband didn't have to help me too awful much. I've been trying to move it myself, but it is telling on me. So take your time, get it the way you want it the first time. Let's look at this wall. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of pan as slow as I can. So over the top of the window, we are going to buy a piece 8 and so many feet long, 8 and so many inches, excuse me, long, 8 feet, so many inches long, and 9 inches deep, I believe. And we're just gonna get the top of the mural that we have to continue it all the way across the wall, so there's no break in it. So it is absolutely gorgeous. If you saw, you seen that I had to piece a little piece on this end over here, and y'all, I'll get close. You can't even tell it. Now I can tell it, but it's right here, all the way up, but you cannot see it. I think I did a good job. You know, hats off to myself, yay me. But I love this mural. Limitless walls, y'all. You saw us talking, and I may play it in the video a bit, but I'll show y'all again. If you look at this, let me go to this other side. If you look at this picture right here, this looks like the picture of our back 40 some odd acres that I took, and then the house would be up over here, but that looks exactly like our pond, and I'll clip it in again so y'all can see it, and that's what makes it special to us. But I love this. I love the little ducks, and it's just a beautiful color in this dining room. Thank y'all for joining us today. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and hopefully you will do something like this in your own home. I am already starting to look at other walls. God bless my husband, but this is gorgeous. Have a great week.
It's so